First things first, assessing your small kitchen. This is where you take stock of what you have. Look at your kitchen space, identify what works and what doesn't. This is your opportunity to dream big and identify your needs. Planning your remodel is the next crucial step. This involves setting a realistic budget, determining your design style, and creating a timeline for your project. Remember, the key to a successful remodel is careful planning. Storage can be a challenge in a small kitchen, but with clever storage solutions, every inch of your kitchen can be utilized. Consider pull-out cabinets, corner drawers, and vertical storage options. These can help you maximize the space you have. In optimizing layout and design, consider the kitchen work triangle, the distance between your sink, stove, and refrigerator. This should be efficient to streamline your workflow. Also consider incorporating multifunctional elements like a breakfast bar that doubles as a prep area. Natural light can make your kitchen appear larger. So when planning your remodel, think about ways to maximize natural light. This could involve installing larger windows or using reflective surfaces. Flooring and finishes can significantly impact the look and feel of your kitchen. Choose materials that are durable, easy to clean, and complement your design style. Whether it's hardwood, tile, or laminate, the right flooring can make all the difference. Deciding between DIY and professional assistance can be tricky. While DIY can save money, professional help can ensure a high-quality finish and save you time. Budget-friendly tips for your remodel can include repurposing existing pieces, shopping around for the best prices, and choosing cost-effective materials. Remember, a remodel doesn't have to break the bank. Sustainability is also an important consideration. Think about energy-efficient appliances, sustainable materials, and ways to reduce waste. A green kitchen is not only good for the environment, but can also save you money in the long run. Final touches and personalization are what make your kitchen uniquely yours. This could be a bold backsplash, vintage light fixtures, or a colorful rug. Don't be afraid to show off your personality. Embracing creativity in a small kitchen remodel can lead to surprising and delightful results. Don't be constrained by traditional ideas. Think outside the box. Harnessing technology can also enhance efficiency. From smart appliances to digital assistants, technology can make cooking and cleaning easier. Creating illusions of space can make your small kitchen feel larger. This can be achieved with light colors, mirrored surfaces, and strategic lighting. Maximizing vertical space is another way to make the most of your small kitchen. Think about open shelves, hanging pot racks, and wall-mounted magnetic knife strips. Staying organized for the long haul is crucial. Keep things tidy and in their place, and your kitchen will always be a pleasure to use. Lastly, consider making room for greenery. Plants can bring life and color to your kitchen, enhancing the overall ambiance. In conclusion, a small kitchen remodel is a journey. It requires careful planning, creativity, and thoughtful decisions. But with the right approach, you can transform your small kitchen into a functional and stylish space you'll love.